Well, I've been having some connectivity issues for a while. I think I found the culprit was this little adapter. I won't say what brand it is. It's just doesn't have a brand written on it, but had it on the bag. But I think it's some kind of generic brand. But I think it has some kind of spyware in it. When I was using it, it wouldn't let me connect for ages, and then it would, and then it wouldn't, and then the lights wouldn't come on, and I don't know. I think there's something wrong with it. Anyway, I've got a different one and it's working fine. I've reconnected my patch bay. It all seems okay. So, yeah, I think it was just this. And when I bought this, I didn't really want this. I wanted a different one. And I thought they didn't have them in stock, so I thought I'll go for this. But yeah, I don't know. Don't like to condemn anyone, but this was really pissing me off. If I try and connect, it wouldn't work. And just for my laptop, basically. But yeah, I've just put Altium on my dual boot MacBook because I need Windows, so put Windows 10 on there. I think it should be fine. And for doing my designs next semester, if we do them, yeah, I was going to say something else. What was it? Yeah, just that whole TPM thing with Windows. It's a bit of a flop, isn't it? Really, that TPM, it keeps them out for a while, and then they catch up again and try and break through that as well. So I had on that one, and it just said it wasn't even installed. I'm like, what? I had all these problems, so that's why I upgraded my hardware so I could get Windows 11. But I'm just going to stick with Windows 10 on this one. I think it's all right. It's basically the same, except the desktop's different and there's TPM, whatever that is. But a few design features are a bit different. There's not much different. I mean, how can you improve on Windows 10? It seems pretty good. I suppose you're always trying to come up with different security features to try and stop the hacking and stuff. But yeah, I just love my non-binary computer to be the front end of all this and have Windows as the back end on the street level, on the big transformer boxes outside. I think having a non-binary computer in your house without all the bullshit on the screen, you don't deal with all the problems. It's just user-friendly, and I don't know. For the future, I'm here to help. I'm not here to make anyone's life more difficult. I just want to put in my little input and try and, I'd love to build my own computer and have a bit of recognition or something for all the work and study I've been doing. But anyway, if I get there, I get there. One day. Doing my electronics study to start off with and just see how I go. And I'll see if I come up with a little prototype or something one day. And I'm sure I'll get support. And if I look around, find the right people, you got to find the right people to help support you. I think I've learned Mum and Dad don't do that. So they're just happy to keep me alive, keep me fed. That's about it. So Mum's just doing her gardening. She's enjoying her life now. She's the centre of her world now, so that's her life. So she doesn't want us to be the centre of her world anymore. So yeah, we've got our own things to do. So yeah, which is fair enough. Yeah, mothers need their own life and their own identity, and they're not just there for their kids. Yeah, we'll see how Altium goes on my MacBook Pro. I think it'll be fine. I've always got my MacBook Air over there, which I upgraded, so it's probably a little bit more powerful than the Mac Pro now because it's got the better processor, more RAM. Yeah, I might put on both actually. So I've got one at home, one in my bag. Means I have to dual boot both though. Yeah, I'd love a bigger hard drive. Maybe one day I'll update the hard drive. They're pretty expensive. I could probably put it in myself. I know how to remove the SSD. It's just I have to reinstall everything. What if there's a way I can copy it over? Anyway. Yeah, another thought for another day. Have a good day. Thanks, Spintel, for letting me vent all my frustrations. They're very helpful, even though I figured out sort of myself the adapter. I went and bought a different one, and it's much better, and it will fit both my different laptops, so it's good. All right, see ya.